That presentation by grade 7 revoked our consciousness to conserve water, conserve life. Our next presentation by grade 8 is about element fire. According to Greek mythology, Prometheus stole fire from the gods and gave it to humans. Early humans may have used pieces of flint stones banged together to create sparks. They may have rubbed two sticks together, generating enough heat to start a blaze. Early man thus used fire to provide warmth and light and to keep wild animals away at night. Thus, fire came into our lives. Fire symbolizes many things, including passion, desire, rebirth, eternity, destruction, hope, health, and purification. These symbols have been used in literature, film, and religious texts for millennia.
Fire continues to be a part of many human religions and cultures. For example, it is used in cremations and bonfires. Candles are used in various religious purposes, and the Olympic flame burns for the duration of the games. Fire can be deadly. It can destroy our homes, wildlife habitat, and timber. Fire also releases a carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, into an atmosphere. Now, let us watch a grade 8 presentation about the element fire.
The element of fire, contrary to water, is the third of the 5 elements or Panchabhutas, a light and active element. Fire is vital for human survival. It is an inner light as well as living symbol of the divine fire that burns in every soul. The fire element represents the capacity for heat and light. Fire is the process of liberating energy from its source. The origin of the fire element is the Tanmatra of vision called Rupa. Rupa means form or color. Rupa is the Tanmatra or primordial unmanifested form of perception, light, vision, and thus the fire element. Agni, the god of fire, is an ancient Hindu deity who is one of the most important Vedic gods. Agni is present in everyone's hearth. He is supposed to be the vital spark of life. He is also referred to oblation devourer and the purifier. Thank you.
Namaskaram, I'm Abhimanyu from grade 8 and today we're going to be talking about Agni and the importance of fire. Fire or biological heat is the basis of life. The sun and internal heat is the source of fire. Fire is used in many customs and traditions. It is also used when the journey of life ends. Now let's chant a Panchbhut mantra to purify fire. Do you know why humans have such large brains and short intestines? It is because of fire. Fire has helped us to cook food, which has reduced our energy to tear and bite raw food. That saved energy was used by our brain. The intestines are short, as cooked food is soft and easy to digest. Agni also helps us with digestion. The various phases of Agni are shown here. Fire gives birth to light. Do you know why lighting a lamp is important? Lighting a lamp is good as it exudes positivity. Light has its own field of energy, and power of light cleanses the chakras in our body. Now let's chant an Agni Gayatri mantra to give peace to our body.
Thank you, Abhimanyu, for enlightening us with that flaring information. As said earlier, fire is dangerous. It causes disasters all over the world. Forest fires and wildfires occur often. We have Anchal to brief us about 2 incidents which occurred in 2020.
and I'm going to say about the California wildfires. More than 500 wildfires are burning out of control in California, scorching more than 7,70,000 acres of land are destroying more than 500 structures. Gavin Newsom says nearly all of the state firefighters have been exhausted, forcing officials. Thank you.
Thank you, Angel. Fire is fascinating. Do you know that few places in the world have been on fire from almost 6,000 years? Let's know more about it from students of grade 8.
Is going to speak about the central coal mine in Pennsylvania. The central coal mine is now abandoned gas reservoir sparked in 1962, and despite the attempts to put out the fire, it continues to smolder and cause faults in the ground to this day. The town was commended in 1992.
So, do you have any idea of what place this is? This right here is the Olympus Mountain, Turkey. It is said to be the inspiration for the Chimera monster. It has been used as the mountain's natural lighthouse for over 2,000 years to help sailors navigate the rocky shores. Methane gas seeping up through the rocks is what fuels these fires.
Water and Fire Cave, Taiwan. You would have think the surrounding H2O would extinguish this inferno, but methane gas bubbles through cracks in the rock, and even this running spring can't quell these eternal flames. It's been burning for at least 300 years.
Today, I tell you about a place in which I am living here. As you can see, the background of mine is the place. So you don't know what is this place? This is Burning Mountain you're seeing. Burning Mountain lies in the city of Saarland in the country of Germany. It is originated in its own without any application in the year of 1688. Nobody knows how it started. So the steam can be seen and heat can be felt by emanating the rocks.
Today I'm going to say about Chestnut Ridge Park. Chestnut Ridge Park, New York is a bit of a mystery how external flames keeps alive behind a pretty waterfall in Slate Creek Preserve. Native Americans set it aflame around thousands of moons ago, but how it sustains is anyone's guess.
Smoky Mountain. Smoky Mountain, Ethiopia, one of the hottest and the driest places in the planet. The rare geothermal balance keeps the magma mountain and resulting in the pool of glowing liquid fire.
That was informative as well as interesting. Now let's watch a mono act executed by grade 8 students.
That was spectacular.
Fire is hot, fire is fast, fire is dark, fire is deadly. Know the facts so that you can be safer. In less than 30 seconds, so small flame can get out of control and turn dangerous. It takes few minutes for thick black smoke and flames to fill in a house. There is no time to grab things with you, there is only time to escape. Fire is hot, a fire's heat can kill. Room temperatures can be 100 degrees at the floor and reach up to 600 degrees near the ceiling. Room can get so much heated that everything in it starts burning. This is called flashover. Fire is dark. When you wake up at a fire, it may be hard to see through the smoke. Fire is deadly. Smoke and toxic gases kill more people than flames do. Thank you.
Thank you, Diptin, for warning us.